Hey guys.
Hey everybody.
We're at this awesome campsite right now, free DNR campsite, South Fork Hoh in the Hoh Rainforest. It is spectacular. So this is the Hoh River. See the mountains out there. So Pacific Northwest today. And then there's the campsite right there.
Awesome.
Beautiful. I don't know why anyone lives somewhere that isn't Washington.
Tell me about it, huh?
Why do you guys live anywhere else? All right, we got a couple more campsites to hit on this awesome trip, curated by Mr. Claiborne. His first official planned trip. All right, guys, peace.